You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Yes, I know it's quite confusing and many people get it wrong, because also there are different pronunciations. If you want to learn more names from grammar and literature, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Polysyndeton, that's British English pronunciation. Polysyndeton. Polysyndeton. In American English, the pronunciation is usually as polysyndeton. Alright, so you have a slightly different pronunciation, but I mean both pronunciations exist and are correct. Polysyndeton and polysyndeton. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.